Roosevelt's of the Atlantic Seaman, and President Roosevelt had recently made it clear that he would like to discuss with us, and with the Dominion of Canada, and with Newfoundland, the development of American naval and air facilities in Newfoundland and in the West Indies. There is, of course, no question of any transference of sovereignty. That has never been suggested, or of any action being taken without the consent, or against the wishes of the various colonies concerned. But for our own part, the actions in government are regarding when cause for
before I got the fire lights in and that. Yeah, that's it. It's anyone over 6 foot and everything. We're all right, aren't we? Like, I just fit under it, like, you know. Perfect. But anyone with any height, you've had it, sort of thing. Yeah, but yeah, so from 1947 to 1989, this was all knocked through.
Can I walk behind the bar?
Yeah, we're going to go round there now. I'm just waiting for this. Just it out. Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what, in fact, I'll let you walk around, because if you go behind the bar now and you walk into that room, you will see where the entrance point is to the air raid shelter. If you want to head round there. And you'll see where the people came down, yeah? Just get round the bar, yeah?
I used to go in the weird going over there, Louis.
Yeah.
Health and safety, they closed that barracks.
It's like in time warp, isn't it?
I don't think I'm coming here before. But then again, when you're 60, you're
I need to get down and take some pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like you say, health and safety again.
Right, yeah.
the original
Yeah.
bitter.
Well, behind here, you've got where the air raid shelter and you have there's a step here, but as you go through the door around the corner as well. To them, it was exciting. My uncle, who's 94 now, he cycled from, he lived in Bath, down in Somerset, and he cycled about 4 miles to the next neighbouring town where bombs had hit to go and see what was going on, because it was exciting to him. You know, a couple of years later, he enlisted into the war and went underage and went up. Next minute he's in New York picking up a landing craft up, you know, and then not long after that.
All these furnishings and fittings in?
No, I put everything in. You see, the only things that are still here with the bar and those 2 chairs and them 2 there, everything else you see I put in.
Right.
I had to scour all antique shops and everything to get stuff.
From the area?
From the area, yeah. It's great fun, like, you know.
The sort of thing you're sorry when it finishes, isn't it?
I was, yeah.
Did you get any photographs from when it was here?
Yes, they're on in I'll show you.
Yeah, on the way back. Yeah, yeah.
Now, through this door, after this is basically after the wall. This part of this tunnel, this is the end of the air raid shelter. This was all made into a restaurant area, so people used to eat in here. They created the fireplace and put they had an electric fire down here. Even though underneath there is a chute going up, it was never a coal fire down here. That was used by the Americans. Brought a dumbway to service and to help speed up production. So at the back of the air raid shelter, they had a lift, kind of shaft going up. But through these doors, after the war, it was only the general staff that went through bringing the food in and out. That munitions room to the left, that became a kitchen. So until last year, no general public ever went through this door till I brought them through. Now you'll see when we go further around the corner in a minute, you'll see where we've gone through the wall. It took 3 days to do it. And you will see where behind here you've got all the machinery that still exists from over 75 years ago that was just left at the end of the war. Certainly was. Okay, so if you want to follow me, there is a little bit of a slope here. I'll do a slope over there.
Well, no, what's in there?
Just watch your stations.
Coffins, yeah. Coffins.
Looking down here.
production as well, because we had to start preparing for something big. We didn't know what or when it was at the time. We were just told we had to increase production. So one major problem that they had down here was the lighting, because all the lighting in the machines run off generators. Now, the Americans figured this out, thought, right, well, we could speed up production straight away by fixing this problem, because the problem with the generators was if you didn't top them up, what happened? The lights went out. And that became a problem when you're working with machinery and gunpowder, didn't it? So, you're working away on the machines, and suddenly the lights go out. So if you're working on the machines, your natural instinct is to turn to see what's going on, isn't it? So you get caught in the machines. If people were a bit smaller, obviously women are generally a lot smaller, their hair got caught in the machines. It did happen.
These are brilliant conditions still, aren't they?
They all still work. Yeah, we've maintained them over the years. So the Americans were, right, we're going to electrify the whole tunnels here. Became the first place in the UK to have fluorescent light strips as well, so it's unique for that. And it did help us speed up production, because there was no more having to wait round for the lights to come back on and the machines to be working. So we went up from making 500,000 bullets and shells per year, which was an average of 13 per person a day, all year round. And they went up to 750 to 800,000. The Americans were then saying, right, thank you, with each box, because they also made the boxes here. If you look behind, you've got the wood machinery. Now that's out of the room we've just walked through where the coffins are in. I brought them in because the light quality is better.
Yeah.
Now, the Americans would say thank you to each box that was created, and they would be put into the lorries above, because it was depot number 0616, and they would take it round to the tower grounds, which is this place here, where the tower used to stand from 1899 to 1916, and the ballroom was there until 1969. But next door we had our football pitch as well. Now that was there, and the Americans were camped out on there, where they had their tanks, lorries, armoured vehicles, and generally planes as well. They were ready to go when that call came. But until before then, everything was stockpiled on this football pitch.
Wow.
So for all our men were away at war, all our ladies were still here. Wartime bands used to take place at the Tower Ballroom. They used to go to the Tower Ballroom. Funny enough, so did the American Army men as well. They weren't under ration rules like we were. They used to give out gifts such as candies, chocolates, chewing gum, cigarettes, most importantly for the ladies.